So hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and I hope you all are doing well. And if you're new, it's me, Ria Rana. I'm like vlogging after a really long time, so it really feels awkward and I feel a little bit shy. But then let's get through my day. Stop it. So today I am going to Palazzo Quirinale. It's a type of palazzo. Palazzo kind of a big. Italy president residence. So I mean, like, it's his house, official house. So I'm just going there and I'll show you. And the I'm going to see Roma. There is like Picasso, to celebrate Picasso, the great painter. Usko work display macha. So I'll also be going there to see Picasso's work. And I'm very much fascinated by paintings and all of that. So yeah, let's get through my day. And it's 6:30 and it's cold as well. I got the 10 degrees, below 10 degrees, but still I woke up early and did all of this and that, and I was here like 6 bajne. So I'm tired and now I'm waiting for my train. It's good to be back, but I feel so awkward. Camera but still we will do this. Train that train was like 47 minutes late, so they gave us this.
Perché le lumache escono quando diluvia, no?
Allora, vedi, io lo sapevo. Se ci farebbe caso quando usciremo. It started raining, so I had to buy an umbrella. Rain. Too much of crowd and all of my jackets is like wet.
Your skin, oh yeah, your skin and bones.
It's raining. Mere juta bitra pani pasisakyo, but what can we do? And it's feeling so cold. Mera daantharu sabai tharara hunदैछ चिसोले, but it's okay.
Look at the stars, look how they shine for you. And nothing we do, yeah, they were all your own. I came along, I wrote a
Pablo
song
Picasso's
for
original work.
and all the things you do.
So it's finished. So it's finished, like Picasso whole work. But I don't know what we'll do now, and it's still raining like really. I lit all pani for this. I don't know pani kaile rokincha because bihan dekeko pareko. So now we'll just, I don't know what we'll do. Malai basta allergy bhayo. Yeah, let's see. I forgot to film and अब चाहिँ म फर्किँदैछु. So yeah, बिचमा त्यो painting but I forgot to film. I waited and waited and waited. It's still cloudy, it's still gloomy. Just going to the station. So I came to the station and I'm tired. So now I'll wait for my train. All of my travel vlogs just end this way, and so thank you for watching. And this vlog was just that more, and I just wanted to like kind of stay active, not active, but I just didn't want it to get like lost and not post any video. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and see you soon for my next video.
Thank you.